Suarez, Piqué, Suarez, Messi! 6-1 to Barca. Fiesta in the Camp Nou. The Sevilla fans.
A sumptuous flick from Ozil to Guendouzi to Bellerin. Here's Lacazette back to Ozil. Oh, that's just a sensational goal!
Back to Raheem Sterling, plays it across, and it's the simplest of tap-ins for Sergio Aguero.
Giroud again, Jack Wilshere!
Goes in. Ronaldo, beautiful to Kaká, back to Ronaldo, fine football this, what will be the end result? Benzema drives in, right across the six, oh!
Wins it back from the TV. Down to Busquets. Messi strokes it in to Griezmann. Ball back here for Leo Messi! Barca made the breakthrough. Minute 30 of the second half.
The vital moment. That's Lacazette. Now Ramsey. Bellerin, a bit fancy. It's come off. Ramsey with the header. Mkhitaryan, good ball back. Aubameyang. Ramsey's there! Wonderful! Absolutely wonderful! He's just come on! And that was a touch!
伊涅斯塔横传，大门球打在立柱上，比利亚球又打在立柱上，球进了。
Higuain tutto provato in allenamento, attenzione Dybala, Higuain davanti alla porta, gol! La Juve in gol! Con gol! Zalo! Higuain! Salah. Firmino, oh brilliant, Salah! Salah! Oh, what a goal! Sometimes they make playing football look ridiculously easy.
Courtois safely grabbed, and there's just time for De Bruyne to lead this attack. Japan desperate to cover the spaces, they can't do so for the moment. Lukaku, and here's a winner! Oh, can you believe it? Nasser Chadli strokes Belgium into a quarter-final against Brazil.
击落，姆巴佩继续往前顺，他相信姆巴佩的速度推射，4比2，这个进攻的反击太犀利了。下半场比赛，法国队彻底爆发了。
The Champions League hero against PSG leading the break. Gomes looking for the overlap. Alba inside. It's Messi!
Oh! Again! The medicine man arrives and sinks his flaming spear into the hearts of Real Madrid.
Now Arsenal played round the pressure. Now they've got a chance. And there's no flag here. Can Arsenal find something right at the death? Played back for Arshavin! 2-1! They've turned it.